Look at that! Please don't get me wrong. Hello everybody! I think it's a nice day to find some treasure in that forest or on the field. According to the old maps, there used to be houses on top of that hill where the trees grow. So I'm getting a first good signal. Uh-huh. Okay. Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, it's a coin! Whoa! Uh-huh. Yeah, it's an imperial coin. Copper, green. Wow. Probably. Oh, 1888. It's pretty rare for the first signal to be a coin. Unexpectedly pleasant. The second find is this button. Possibly from a German uniform. I decided to check under this oak tree and look what I found. Oh, look. It's an unfired cartridge. Probably it's also German. Wow! Look what's under the same tree. That's a much better find than a cartridge. Class. I wonder whose burrow this is. And there is more freshly dug up earth here. I wonder who did this. And the next find, right near this fresh dug soil. It's a button, but now the Soviet button with the star. The Soviet Army button from World War II, I think. I hope you'll write in the comments what is this. It's always interesting to me to imagine how the old days people used their tools, like mowing this field, for example. And we have the next button. from the Soviet period again. Maybe the guy who moved this field lost it. Here, even the trees resemble ancient fossils. The tree looks like a skyscraper, friends. Alright, goodbye field. I have decided to try my luck elsewhere. It's incredible how much trash you have to dig out of the ground to find one coin. Please don't get me wrong. Well, now we move to the next field. Even more remote, even more abandoned, and far from civilization. Look at this beautiful place. For over 400 years there was a large village here, but it disappeared during World War II. Look what's right on the surface here. What a beautiful thing. There is 2 more treasure hunters up on that hill over there. Alright, finally a coin. Oh, who there? And we have the long-awaited coin. And this is 3 kopecks of 1932. I wonder why they already coming back. Maybe they found something. Here was a pretty nice signal. And it's something. It's something. Yeah. Yeah. It's a coin, but what is this? Oh. I think, my friends, I think it's silver. Wow. Yeah. It's silver 10 kopecks of the early USSR. Ho 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 ho. Wow. And this find had just a great signal. Ho ho ho. This is a large horse harness. After 10 minutes, and the next coin. It's a Yes, it's also early USSR 1 kopek of 1927. Wow. All right. Oh, what a nice find. I wonder if it held perfume or poison. I look forward to a heated discussion in the comments. Oh, finally I found something really old. 17th century. Wow. Good thing that gunpowder never exploded and killed anyone. It's pretty hard to dig in such a roughly plowed field, but look what I found. Guys, that's a silver coin, a billion. Oh, and in a better condition. Oh, even I, even I see. Oh, 1923. Yeah, it's a great find. Ooh, crouching for a coin, I ripped my pants. The Soviet military button. Small, but in better condition. That's a great signal. I think it's worth checking out. Well, oh, let's check it. Yeah, somewhere there. Ah, the signal was good, but the wire. The third car came and went at once. Maybe they were scared of us. I'm already on my third place. I don't know if I should drive on or walk. Could it work? I don't know. I'll detect over there at the edge of the field. Look, who's flying over there? Yeah, it's a good thing I didn't go further into the woods, because the road here is completely unusable. Look. A lot more serious cars can get stuck here than mine. There is still some ice in the puddles, but the road itself is just liquid mud. But it's an old road that people have used for years to get from one village to another. And here is an example of how we preserve the forest in Belarus. They cut down a tree 20 or 30 years ago and left it like that. So why was it cut down? Unfortunately, that's not uncommon around there. Well, I walked along this road for a while and noticed that this place used to be bypassed because it was a deep puddle. Now the puddle is in a new place. And here I had a signal and I was sure it was a cark. I literally removed the topsoil with my foot and look, was here. Here we have, oh, square letters, the coat of arms of the USSR. Oh. So we have 3 copies of 1938. There's the field coming up. I'll be out of the woods soon, and there was a rather strange signal. Look what I find. It seems that a piece of a knife. Stainless steel. Someone lost this brass buckle on the road. It's much easier to detect here than on the forest road, especially since it's getting dark in the woods. There are indeed more signals on this part of the road. Look what I found. This brass or copper ring. Perhaps the part of the horse harness too. Yeah, man. I should have gone straight to the road, but I got a little stuck at the beginning. Look. Yeah.
Oh,
It's green. Oh, guys. This is 2 kopecks. Yeah? Oh, it's an old patin. Yeah, 2 kopecks. Imperial. Hmm. I can't get the year now, but the find itself is pleasing. Well, the sun has already set behind the forest. I really enjoyed my search today, and I'm hopeful you enjoyed it too, and know what to do now.